Yo, you guys alright? Oh.
The other guy in front of you was about to go and I thought you were going.
Yeah, you need to take it easy with the bikes because we're like very vulnerable and stuff.
I know, and I'm a cyclist myself, so I know.
Yeah, I know, but
I'm really sorry.
I know, but it's just hopefully he's alright. If have you got a license? Do you wanna like take some pictures first? You've taken pictures, yeah? I'm just saying, do you wanna like move out the way in case there's like problems and stuff? Yeah. I'm just thinking, where do you guys want to go? Like, where do you guys want to move the bike and stuff? You just want to put it in there, yeah? Okay.
Bike over there, man. Driving up?
I don't know. Get into there.
What are you doing?
Get into there. Petrol station! Yo, petrol station! Hey! Don't do that, it's petrol station! Damn, we got some drama. Yo, calm down, just calm down.
Car like that. Look what you've done.
You should... You were...
Car like that.
No, I was telling him to calm down.
I'm not. You just look what you've done.
Look, just go to that petrol station and just pull it. I didn't do nothing. Listen, just go to the petrol station. Go to the petrol station. Oi, petrol station. This is gonna end ugly, man. This is gonna get real ugly. Whoop. Calm down. Calm down, bro. Alright, calm down. I know. I saw it.
Stop, she tried to drive off.
I haven't done anything.
No, she's in the wrong.
I know, let me... No, I understand. Look, I just pulled up. Look, I'm just, look.
Look, how did this happen?
I know.
How did this happen?
I'm not with them. I'm just here to make sure everything's cool. But you drove off. That's... They're just...
I didn't do anything.
You hit them.
I didn't. He was right in front of me. Why pull up like that? It's so dangerously in front.
So what happened at the traffic light?
That's what I'm saying.
You ran over him and then you said sorry, you got in your car and you drove off.
Were you already in front of her?
Yeah. He was at the traffic lights and you said pull over.
Yeah.
She said sorry, and she tried to drive off.
How has this happened?
Well, they thought you were going to drive off.
No, because no
and you were in the third lane. You weren't gonna pull over. But what I'm trying to figure out is,
You're saying you're worried about your mirror. You've run over his foot.
Look what's happened.
were you guys turning right at that traffic light? You going straight,
Straight in between.
and you weren't filtering.
No, two bikes.
Okay. Okay.
My mate, so all
Both
put the foot.
bikes.
Okay.
Look at the way they're driving though. This is really
You
bad.
run over foot.
I didn't see how they were driving before that. I didn't see how they were driving before that. But the thing is, you did hit them. You did hit them.
I don't
You,
like this at
listen,
all. I feel
I know.
I don't like this.
I know, but I'm trying to be calm and everything with you. Huh. But the thing is, you did hit them off.
Anything.
But you did hit them off the bike.
I
Did-
didn't. Look, I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
Up.
Really
Look.
intimidated. I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
Didn't you hit them off the bike?
You run on my
Of
foot.
course I
You
didn't hit him off the bike. He got off his bike.
Okay. What happened? Did
He went into her.
what? The car hit you?
He ran into my foot. Don't go. Alright, I'm calling the police.
I don't know.
I'm calling the police, yeah? You hit his foot.
Yeah.
Sorry, like she's gonna drive off. I took a picture.
Yeah.
I'm taking the picture. She's trying to drive off.
Yeah. But
In
you.
front of her.
Yeah.
Trying to go in front.
Hvad siger du?
Hvad leder du efter?
Jeg leder ikke efter noget.
Jo, du går rundt og leder efter.
Fuck, det var syg i hovedet, mand. Ja.
You want your boot putting down? Your boot is open.
Do you fucking know how to use lanes, you prick?
It's not you. You smashed my bloody thing. Why don't you see where you're going?
Why don't you go in the right fucking lane? I'm on the left.
in the right place.
You're in the right hand lane
You
trying to
don't
go
smash
straight on, you
car up.
fucking
You
cunt.
don't smash car up. You idiot. It's not
You nearly fucking run me over, you
didn't run you
cunt.
over. You're pissing about doing like that, idiot. How can you drive like that?
I'm the one in the right fucking lane, alright?
You are in the lane, but you're slowing up and down. You don't know what you're doing.
Because it's fucking dangerous to speed round a roundabout, you prick.
Not
I'm
dangerous.
taking care of my
Stop
own
it.
life,
You
alright?
smashed my mirror, you dickhead.
You nearly fucking ran me over.
I should have run.
What's more important, your life? What's more important, my life or your fucking mirror?
Your life. You drive properly, man.
Exactly, I'm taking
You
care of
drive
my own life and
properly.
you're trying to
You
run me the
drive
fuck
properly.
over.
You drive properly. you do.
One, you fuck off. Try and learn properly. Fucking learn how to drive, you cunt.
Hey, Jimmy! Don't roll up. Don't roll. They're gonna roll back. If they roll back into us, I got it on camera. Hey, don't hate on me. We all know what's gonna happen to me. Dude, we gotta replace the clutch in that thing. Guess how much? Suck a dick!
Are you fucking serious?
What?